Morning, guys. Morning. Tea. Hi, guys. I'm sorry. I just about to start filming and then I bumped into my stool. Oh man, that hurt. I'm drinking milk thing. Tastes of strawberry. Okay, so last night I went to a gig. It was good. They played fantastic. I'm gonna link you to the band. I'm gonna just link you every single time I do a vlog. Because I can, okay? Yeah. But there were some other bands that were very heavy and my ears haven't stopped ringing. And it's very annoying when you're trying to do lots of work. I've actually finished my work and I got to leave at 2. Yeah, I'm so excited. And I got the bus at 3:15 though. And I'm sorry, camera, but I dropped you and your zoom thing fell off. It broke, but I can still zoom you in, look. I just have to be very careful with it. And my throat hurts. What the hell? Oh, it's just me. So yeah, oh, my rooms are really bad tip. I have to do that tomorrow and Sunday. I'm going running in a bit. I might take you with me and see. You can see me running maybe? But I'll try not to drop you in anything or drop you anywhere if I take you. I'm so sorry. Please don't hate me, camera people, my fans, because I love you. I'm stroking the camera. I'm so hyper. I think it's this stuff. I don't know what's in it. I don't know. Okay, I'm going to stop now because I'm getting really like, ugh. Well, this is awkward. I'm going running. If any of you have seen my short films, you might notice where we are. This was in one of them. Yeah. My ears still hurt. And I'm boiling because I'm wearing a coat because I'm a retard. Hey! His arms and legs, isn't he? You didn't. You were being a footballer.
I was what?
You were being a footballer. 31:05 yours is.
I'll get quicker than that. Sophie doing her run. And she's making her way. She's doing very well. Come on, Sophie, yeah! Can't see her, but oh well.
Go on, Sophie.
Yeah, come on.
Yeah, ready. Right, Sophie and Sam, ready.
Press record.
Ready to go. Yep.
Press record.
Yes.
It's the red dot button.
Yeah, I've done it.
Is it saying it's recording?
Yeah. Right now, ready, go.
Oh. Right, Sophie.
Yeah.
You have 5 seconds to get as far away
wait.
from me as you can.
Okay, let me just do this up.
5.
Okay, wait, start from now.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Ow.